love, welcome to Food is Fuel, where I teach you how to eat foods that are not only delicious, good for you, but fast and easy to make so that you can stay on your health and fitness journey despite how busy you are. I'm Erica. I'm a busy mom of 2 girls and also juggling a career, and I know that your meals need to be quick and easy so that you can stick to your goals. So today, we're gonna make my #1 favorite breakfast. That is my banana pancakes. If you follow me on Instagram at Fit with Erica, you'll know that in my stories, this pancake recipe is always in there because I make it at least 3 times a week. It's perfect for when you need some protein, maybe something a little sweet, or you want to feel like you're eating something bad that actually isn't bad for you, okay? So go ahead and grab the following ingredients. We're gonna first grab a banana. Your banana doesn't have to be as ripe as mine. Actually, if it's a little less ripe than this, it would be better because it'll take shape better. However, you don't want it to be green because it's not gonna be as sweet, okay? So 1 banana. We're gonna go ahead and grab 2 eggs for some protein. That's also gonna help the pancake to form. We're gonna have some blueberries, grab as much as you want, and some strawberries, okay? I'm going to prepare my pan with some butter. That's because my pan doesn't allow for aerosol spray. If you like a spray, you can go ahead and use that. Go ahead and grab your favorite pan. I'm gonna put it on the stove right now to start getting heated up. And you're also gonna need a bowl, a spatula, a fork, a knife, and a cutting board, okay? So we're gonna start by peeling our banana and putting it into the bowl. You're gonna mash it as well as you can. And make sure you don't have any of these pieces in it. I don't know, to me it alters the taste, okay? So the point of these videos is that you're gonna be able to cook with me. So if you needed to pause the video to go ahead and get your ingredients, you can do that. And just be mindful of the next video before you even start it. You can look right in the description to see what ingredients you need, okay? And then once you put on the video, you're ready to cook with me. So welcome to Mi Casa. I hope you're happy here. I hope you feel welcomed. And I hope you're ready to eat some good food. So we got our banana all mashed up. We're gonna go ahead and put in our 2 eggs. Okay. And before, well, actually, let's go ahead and whisk this up. Now, if you have a little bit more time, I do find that my eggs and my bananas do better when I do them in separate bowls. I used to do it that way, but I stopped doing it that way because I ain't got time for that. All right, so we're gonna mash it and mix it as we go. Make sure you're mashing the banana. And notice there's no flour in here. There is nothing artificial in here. But what I am gonna put in here for some flavor is let me rinse my hands from the eggs. We're gonna put some cinnamon for some flavor, and you can put as much as you want. I put a lot because I love it. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter to my pan. All right, so first things first, a little more cinnamon never hurt nobody. All right, now for today's video, I am using a spoon and scooping it out into smaller pancakes. But confession time, I'm gonna be honest, most of the time I will pour the whole bowl in there. Remember, we're trying to eat good, make sure we have all our nutrients, but most of us are in a rush, right? So I will pour the whole pancake in there, and within 2 to 3 minutes, my pancake is done. And I'll be honest, when I first started making these pancakes, I wanted them to look like the perfect pancake. I wanted them to look exactly like my daughter's pancake, right? And so I would really focus on making them so pretty and perfect. And as time went on, I realized they taste amazing either way. And I don't really care as much as, I did before. So I will pour the whole thing in. Now, what you need to know is that because there's no flour in the pancake, it is going to be more delicate when it's time to turn. So if you don't want your pancake to break, you can go ahead and make smaller ones. Now, while that's cooking, let's go ahead and cut our strawberries up. When you're cutting your strawberries, you can make them as small or as big as you want. I tend to want a piece of strawberry with each bite. Okay, so the perfect bite is like a little bit of pancake with some blueberry, strawberry, some whipped cream, and cinnamon. It is a party in your mouth. Should I say pause? No, I think we're good. So cut them up, keep them to the side, and let's go check on our pancakes. So they're ready to turn now, and you'll notice that some blueberries come out, and that's okay, all right? You can mix it in the batter beforehand and put it in if you want. I tend to like them like this because I don't want the blueberry to completely cook, and so I like to add them afterwards, all right? So these damn blueberries, get in the plate. All right, so for this next pancake, I'm going to be a little less patient and I'm just going to pour the whole batter in. Now, if you decide to do that, one hack that I have found is that if you lower the fire and you cover the pan, it'll allow the top of the pancake to cook a little bit more, and the middle, because that's the key part, that middle part of the pancake will tend to cook a little bit slower. So in covering it, it'll allow it to cook a little bit more evenly, and you'll have more of a chance that your pancake will stick together. I've done it many times that way. I knew when you're filming, things just don't ever want to go right. So yeah, my pancake broke, and I'll be honest, it tasted just the same. So here you go. You see that middle part right there? If I would have given it another minute or two, it would have been fine, but I was trying to get this video done before I go pick up the kids, and that's mom life, right? So there it goes. I broke it. All right, so we have our pancakes. Now, you can put your strawberries in the pan and heat them up a little bit. You just have the fire on low and just add the strawberries in there. Leave it for about a minute or two. You'll start to see them get a little bit like caramelized, and take them out. Today, I'm just going to have them raw. We're going to put some whipped cream to make it pretty. We're going to add some cinnamon. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our strawberries, and I have some blueberries still left in the pan as well. Now, I used to always add walnuts to this as well. Oh my God, it's so delicious. The combination of the blueberries, whoop, we lost one, the strawberries and the walnuts. Unfortunately, I just developed an allergy to walnuts, so no more walnuts, but nonetheless, it's still delicious. Let me go ahead and grab those blueberries. And if you ever want to sweeten any dish, just throw the blueberries or the strawberries in the pan for a couple seconds, and it tastes delicious, especially with some whipped cream. Woo! All right, you guys, so there you have it. Our banana pancakes, no flour, no syrup, and the only thing that's a little artificial is our whipped cream. However, it's very low in calories, 15 calories, and there's only 1 gram of added sugar in here. And so that's why I still, we're healthy-ish here. We don't take everything out of our diet, but we are removing the high fructose corn syrup and the added sugar from the syrup. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe, and tag me in your picture on Instagram at Fit with Erica.